Watch this, we're about to enter a national speed limit. Rev match down change, flatten the throttle in third. Oh, the power. Slow car, fast POV. So we have Skoda, Fabia, VRS? No. We have got, under this bonnet, there are 3 hamsters in a 1 litre ball. And when the hamsters run really quickly, at 6,000 times a minute, they generate the power of 60 horses. Can you believe it? It's basically a Seat Me, but it's got more doors and it's the shape of a Polo, but the power of a classic Mini. I'm pretty sure it's got drum brakes at the back, 185 tires. We do have discs up front. It may stop, it may not, who knows? Oh yeah, look at the handling. Woo! Yeah boy! You can just hold down the gas all day in this car, it doesn't really matter. Oh yeah. I'm kind of scared to actually do 60 in this car, I'll be honest. The body roll's pretty terrifying. Down to 4th, little rev match to 3rd. Oh yeah, on the brakes. Okay, I'm gonna go slower, oh my God. Ah! Watch this, we're about to enter a national speed limit. Rev match down change, flatten the throttle in 3rd. Oh, the power. Oh, we go 4th. Yes, the power. Right, we've got a little 40 limit. Let's give it all the horses in 3rd. Watch this now. 1 rev match. 2nd rev match. Oh, guys, just remember, slow car fast, you've got to have a manual. You've got to have a manual. If you've got a car with this power, 100 horse or something, and you've got a little DCT box, nah, you ain't driving slow car fast. This is what slow car fast is all about. That little gear change. Dabber brakes for the corner, tip it in. Ooh! Oh my God, the body roll. Oh, we've got a serious one here, boys. Woo! Oh yeah. 3rd gear's the gear, don't pull out, mate. Thank you. We've got one of my favorite corners here. When I catch this MG, oh yeah. Woo! Ah! Oh, that's a lot of squish from those front tires. Rev match into 2nd. Tons of power. Well, actually, there's literally no power whatsoever. But we've got 2nd. All the way to red line. We slow down for this corner because there's a big bump. I don't know what the suspension's gonna do. It was actually right. Power! Take it easy with this clutch. There we go. Yes! Maybe it doesn't come across on video, but the way the steering feels in those corners, it does not inspire confidence. You turn it in and the wheels I think the tires are flexing or squishing or something. Maybe it's the suspension, I don't know what it is, but it does not feel good. Look at this. Go on, lad. Yes. 2nd gear pull. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh my God, the brakes dive like crazy. Oh, we got that 3rd gear. Oh, this is hilarious. Whee! Slow on the floor? Nah, forget that. 3 to 2 rev match. Oh, that was not smooth. Car's roaring. Oh, but it puts a smile on my face. Power in 3rd. There is no power. No power exists. Oh yeah, feel the grip. Come on, bro. You've got a little 1.8 in there, man. Have some fun. Watch my videos. Guys, it does not matter what car you own. A lot of people watch my channel and they see me driving around in a Megane RS. Guys, it really doesn't matter. If you want to go out for a fun drive, just go. Just have some fun. Doesn't matter what you're in, doesn't matter what you're driving. Just get out there and have some fun. But guys, the premise of Slow Car Fast is the idea that to have a ton of fun driving a car, you do not need the most powerful machine. All you really need is a good road, enough horses to get you going, and then that's basically it. You can have as much fun as you want, guys. Honestly, this car brings me back to my 2003 Honda Civic Coupe. I had an EM2 and it had about 100 horsepower. I think it had 120 new, but definitely wasn't producing that. I bought the car for 400 quid. It was meant to be a project car. It was only ever temporarily insured. And I would, back then I didn't even have a car. I would just take it out on back roads like this. On a Sunday morning, I would pay like 12 quid or whatever it was for a couple hours insurance. And I would just love life. It was the freedom and the enjoyment. And I taught myself how to heal. Oh my God, that is, I'm not used to the body roll. Rev match. Woo!